Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert MSG file to Office 365. Search on Google to cover MSG Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your MSG files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing MSG file. Select MSG files. Check the file. Click on Office 365. Select language. If you are an admin, then you can choose I am admin option and map multiple user accounts. Enter Office 365 credential. Trial version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Saving log. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.